tired.
You're interfering in my relaxation. Yeah, I'll leave it just because you said it. You're making fun of me, so I'll just leave it.
Take him back. We're having too much fun with him. It's like, I'm in love. I will see you later, my love.
He's in love with a dummy.
Oh boy.
Go out that door.